how did you figure out how tall the release of the rope swing was going to be?
So we trying to figure out the release of the rope swing under the bridge. My brother is pretty smart with math, and we looked it over. Did some measurements on Google Maps. It's actually a really nice tool of how long the bridge was and where our drop spot was going to be. And then we calculated the math with a right angle, calculated the hypotenuse and where we'd be swinging, and he did all the calculations of the physics to see, how high we would really get up. Turns out when we got there, we weren't as high as we thought we would be, which was kind of nice because there's so much wind resistance on the ropes. Just got to send it.
Oh my goodness. No, he's okay.